Introduce highlight features or overview summary for Wesqunie Camping Kitchen Cooking Utensils Set. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include: Compact Utensil Organizer. Keep your camping cookware set neatly in the bag, which takes up very little space and avoids damage when carrying, and makes it easy to access the cooking utensils, which is an essential camping kitchen equipment. Food-grade utensils material. The camp cooking set is made of high-quality stainless steel and silicone, which is BPA-free, no odor, harmless to health, can be used safely for a long time. Camping cooking set is easy to clean and dishwasher safe. Camping gear must-haves. This 14-piece camping cookware kit contains most of the tools needed for cooking, will meet all your outdoor cooking needs, and is also an ideal choice for RV cookware sets and travel cooking set. User-friendly camp cookware. The camping utensil set includes 2 silicone cooking utensils of spatula and ladle, can protect the coating of the camping pots from being scratched. And the extended length of the food tongs prevents oil splashes while in use. Multi-purpose camping utensils. Camping cook set contains 14 PCS cooking utensils such as knives, spatulas, spoons, perfect for camping, party, RV travel, outdoor barbecue. It is a practical outdoor cooking equipment. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe. Press the bell and select all, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.